Hey guys, in this video, I'll be going over the calculator section, question 2. So let's get started. A quality control manager at a factory selects 7 light bulbs at random for inspection out of every 400 light bulbs produced. At this rate, how many light bulbs will be inspected if the factory produces 20,000 light bulbs? So this question, right? What it's really asking for is the number of light bulbs that will be inspected, right? When it produces 20,000. So think of it like this. You got 400 light bulbs, right? And then only 7 out of those 400 light bulbs will be selected, right? It's random, but only 7 of the 400 light bulbs will be selected. So that won't change. Okay, so every 400, there's only going to be 7 light bulbs selected. So when we talk about 20,000, right? We need to take into consideration this limit that we have here of 400 light bulbs. So we need to count how many 400 light bulb production can fit inside the 20,000. And then from there, calculate, well, since for the 400 light bulbs set can be produced in those 20,000s. So you times the 7 by that number. So we're just going to do that. So in 20,000, how many 400 light bulbs can fit? So first we're looking at that big bracket, right? So it's going to be 20,000 divided by 400. And that's going to be 50. But we're not finished yet. We just know that the production of 400 light bulbs, there's like 50 of those. But even in those 50, if you look at each one, there's only going to be 7 light bulbs selected randomly. So only up to 7 for each individual 400 light bulb bracket, if that makes sense. So we're just trying to look at this pink dot of 7 light bulbs. So since that pink dot represents 7 light bulbs, right, which is what we're trying to look for, how many light bulbs will be inspected, right? Inspected. So we times that by whatever number of brackets that we have, which is 50. And that's going to be 350. And your answer is going to be B.